When I recently bought Alibaba at about $82 per share, and then I took profits at $84 and $86 per share, I explained that the reason I took that swing trade is because Alibaba had been on my watch list for quite a while. I had studied it, and when I got the notification randomly from my broker that BABA dipped to around $80 per share, I knew that was a long-term support for it, near its bottom even, so I checked it out, verified that was the case. Then I noticed the news that it and JD were about to report their earnings, and because I also liked the economical environment, I decided to buy it, and it worked out profitably shortly after that, like I thought it may. I also invest and day trade and have other strategies that I either use or plan to use later, but this represents the bulk of my swing trading approach. However, it doesn't always work out like this. For example, I just got the notification that GameStop will be reporting earnings soon, so I checked it out, and unfortunately, it's already beyond where I would like to buy it. If I would have checked a couple weeks ago, when it was under $20 per share, I would have definitely bought it and been taking profits right now. But because it's already well over 20, I'm not sure if I want to buy it. I may even consider shorting it depending on what I think the market and earnings may do, or I may just avoid it entirely. So trying to keep up with the watch list that I've built over time is also part of it. I don't simply rely on notifications or only take an interest in earnings catalysts. I also watch a lot of the stocks from my watch list as they move each day, week to week, month to month, so I can often be day trading or swing trading support and resistance, or when there's catalysts, which can also simply be economical data reports as well. I have basically built an extensive watch list over the years of stocks that I have studied and like, so I know how they act, how they react. I've learned when to buy them, when to sell them, just like with Ford, where I have repeatedly bought it under 12 and sold it over 12. How I found each of these stocks over time is entirely random. Some of them were in the news, some I knew about, some I found were related to other stocks or categories that I watch. Some may have simply been on the top movers list that day for how much they went up or down, and etc.